I'm here at the Marriott Resort Grand Dunes in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I knew absolutely nothing about this property before coming here, as it was a last-minute work trip. But while I'm here, I plan on giving a guest room tour and providing some of my opinions about the property in general. Immediately, I was super impressed with the resort's pool area. I mean, just look at that beautiful backdrop of ocean scenery. It's clean, inviting, and luxurious, if I might say, for Myrtle Beach. The ramp to the beach is a very short walk from the pool area and provides easy access to the shore. Hey everybody, just checked in here to the Marriott Resort at Grand Dunes, Myrtle Beach. Well, North Myrtle Beach, I guess you could say. I'm here for work, so this isn't going to be a typical video, but I do want to show the property. It's March, so it's cold. As you can see, nobody's in the ocean. There's a few people on the beach. There's nobody at the pool. And I'm just gonna take a little tour of the room. So far, I just got here. This looks like a pretty nice place, and might be a good spot to hit up if you're coming to Myrtle Beach and you're a Marriott Bonvoy person. So I'm gonna go have some lunch and check out the rest of the resort. As you can clearly see, there's no one out here right now because it is early March. But imagine this place in warmer months. Oh my gosh, the cove here would be open, serving drinks and food to a packed pool area. To get a better view, I made my way up to Blue for lunch, just off the lobby area. Of course, I'm gonna sit outside to hear the waves and get a bit of that ocean breeze. So, pretty nice menu here. They have tacos, burgers, quesadillas, some seafood options. I went with the mahi tacos. I'm just near the ocean. It's just what I'm gonna order. All right, really impressed with that lunch down there at Blue. Had the fish tacos, mahi. They were really good. They had a nice options for sides. You could get chips, fries, sweet potato fries, which I got. Those were really good. And service was good. Well, why not? We'll just do the ratings. First of all, atmosphere. If you're sitting outside, it's a 9.5. If you're inside, it's like an 8.5. So I'm gonna go 9.5. Beautiful view of the ocean and pool area. So really enjoyed that. Service, 8.5. My waitress, she was great. And the food, I'm gonna go solid 8.5 on the food. Very impressed. Not quite in the 9s, but 8.5. So not a bad place. If you just wanna get here and stay here at the resort and not have to venture off in your car, it's a good place to grab a meal, especially lunch. All right, so now let's check out the room. This isn't gonna be anything crazy, just a regular Marriott, but give you an idea of what to expect if you're coming here to stay. Bathroom is your standard Marriott, but seems to be very clean. You got the walk-in shower, all tile. Little standard closet here. I got a king room with a partial ocean view. And yes, there is a fridge. Very nice. Complimentary water bottle to check in. Decent sized TV. Your little coffee station here with tea and coffee cups. This little artwork on the wall. Nice little chair to lounge out. Good desk area. No complaints there. Nice big mirror. And oh, what a wonderful HVAC view. If you can get beyond that, you can see the ocean and the pool. I just had to laugh when I saw this. I said, we're gonna upgrade you when you check in because you are elite Platinum Elite. Thanks. No, I'm just kidding. This room is actually very clean, and I am here by myself. This will work perfect for the next 3 days. A lot of space, and as I said down there before, I really am liking this resort for a Marriott property here in North Myrtle Beach. Myrtle Beach is one of the best destinations on the East Coast for golf lovers. This property provides convenient proximity to many top-notch courses in both Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle Beach. I played the Dye Club at Barefoot, which was about a 15-minute drive away, and I also played Grande Resort. This is just 5 minutes right up the road. Both I would highly recommend. And there's no better way to cap off an excellent round of golf than with a $27 old fashioned. That's right, $27 from the Blue Bar. And I brought it down on the beach, which actually worked out very well. Unfortunately, it was way too chilly to hang outside, and it's a real shame since this place has the perfect outdoor setup for evening happy hour drinks. It was then back inside the Blue for dinner. I decided to get their grouper entree, and it was a little bit expensive, but man, it was really good. The next morning, I just had to make my way down to the beach and take in the views. It's a little strange coming here with no pairs of sandals or shorts, but nonetheless, still an enjoyable morning walk. Now, Myrtle Beach has plenty of restaurants to choose from, but we found ourselves at Bimini's, which was a highly recommended place here by a local. It's only a 5-minute drive from the property. And let me tell you, the place was packed for a Wednesday night, and it serves the ever popular calabash-style fried seafood. I would definitely recommend this place if you want a little taste of the local cuisine. Okay, so overall, I was really impressed with this property and would strongly recommend it to anyone wanting to come to Myrtle Beach with their family, especially if you want to take advantage of those Marriott Bonvoy points. From my experience, the property offers great service. It is a great location here in Myrtle Beach and has great facilities. My only knock would be the lack of the balcony rooms, but if you want to pony up and pay more, you can certainly do that and book some of the few that they have facing the beach. As always, thanks for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you're planning on coming here or you have been here before, please put a comment below. I want to hear about it. Thanks. Take care.